Proposition 13 was passed in 1978 by California voters. One of its main functions is to keep the assessed value of your real estate near the price you paid when you bought that real estate. Why does that matter? Well, your property taxes are calculated on the assessed value of your home. The higher the assessed value, the more you pay in property taxes. Under Prop 13, your assessed value can only increase by a max of 2% per year. So let's say you buy a home for $400,000. Your assessed value will likely be the price you paid, $400,000. Next year, the assessed value will go up 2% to $408,000. Even if the market value of your home at that time is $450,000 or $500,000, you're only going to have that 2% increase. Your home will not be reassessed to market value until a change in ownership happens, meaning you sell or transfer your home. Now, there are exclusions to reassessment when there is a change of ownership. So, for example, if a home is transferred between a parent and a child, there is no reassessment. But a claim for reassessment must be filed with the assessor's office, and there is a deadline to this form. It's not an automatic reassessment exclusion. You have to file this form. Spouses of eligible children also count until a divorce or terminated by death and until they get remarried. They're counted as a child for purposes of the parent-to-child transfer. Now, another transfer excluded from reassessment are transfers between grandparent and grandchild. This is a little more complicated than the parent-to-child exclusion. A transfer between a grandparent and a grandchild is only exempt if the child of the grandparent, who is the parent of the grandchild, is deceased, and their surviving spouse is also deceased or remarried. Now, there are more exclusions than this, but I just wanted to cover these two because I see them more often than the others in my practice. I'll put a helpful link that goes over some more exclusions with some helpful FAQs in the description section of this video. It's important to note that there is no cap on the amount that can be excluded from reassessment when a residence is transferred. However, there is a $1 million cap on other real property, such as rental properties, but that $1 million is based on the assessed value, not the market value. So whatever the value is on the assessor's rolls, that's the value that's used for the $1 million exclusion cap. I hope this video helped you to understand Prop 13 a little bit better. If you have questions, please feel free to contact me. My contact info is in the video description. Thank you so much for watching.